Welcome back to another beautiful day at Casa.texpina. We're on build day number 146. Today is September 3rd. So what's going on with the house today? More roofing. The roofers, the Tinsmiths will be here momentarily. They're going to continue with the spans going across the top. We've got drain lines being put in for the catch basins into the storm drains, and more siding, more plaster coating all around. And the painters are back today, so they're continuing to do the body work, kind of fill in for the fence grills. All these little holes that got to be filled in. They're doing it like an old automotive repair shop. Two-part body filler with a little bit of epoxy in it, and they'll smooth it out, sand it out, do the whole 9 yards. So they're working on that. And so that's what we're expecting today. As people get in and I figure out where everybody's at, I'll walk you around and show you what all's going on. So let's get started. Whew. Mr. Jerome has got the first chamber down to the proper length here, or proper depth. We're down at least 7 feet, almost 8. I think he said he was at 2.2 meters, so just a little over 7 feet. Looking good. All right, see where everybody else is at this morning. We're working on the fence caps. Mr. Big Cat, Mr. Romy over here is working on another scratching post. So he's got another fence post that he's working on. Mr. Allen and Mr. Alex are working on the wall cladding, continuing going the rest of the way up here on this side. Tinsmiths have arrived. They're getting ready to get started with the roofing again. So we're probably going to continue here. We'll have to wait and see. I'm horrible at predicting what people are going to do, so we'll just wait and see. Okay, so still putting on the finishing cap right here on the bottom half of the fence line. Our painters have returned and are continuing to do the body filler for the fence posts, all the fence grills. That's looking good. It's definitely looking different in the house now, where you got the roof starting to come on. Notice it's getting a little bit darker in here. And over here in the back, in the bedroom number 2, did a little bit of skim coating. So the wall's mostly skim coated. Still working on this wall here, the north wall. Looking good. All right, guys, they're already up, getting on the roof this morning, taking measurements so they know how big the sheet is. They might, I think they're looking at possibly pre-cutting before it gets up there, but that way they know to pull the correct sheets, because they have some that are 15 to 16 bins high. I guess you want to call them like layers, numbers of shingles, where it would look like a shingle, and then they've got some that are a little shorter than that. Deep, deep, deep. A little over 7 feet right here where Mr. Jerome is at. Mr. Pablo getting ready to get started to try to catch up on this end. They get it all loosened up and then start shucking it up here on the top. Just like this. Ganyan. Just like that. And then Mr. Edmund over there takes it off to the next place. There we go. Mr. Carlito up here doing is putting an epoxy gum sealant around the outside of the downspouts, in addition to the PVC glue, just to make sure that we don't have any leaks on these. Well, here on the front, we got a lot of people busy. We got roofers up on top, mason down on the bottom doing a little bit of cement work. Actually, he's a carpenter, but still doing cement work. Painters doing a little bit of body filling here on the grills, putting in the epoxy around the corners, around the edges, and fill all the holes. And another carpenter doing some masonry work, working on the tops, the fence post caps. And way over here on this side, we've got fiber cement board wall cladding. Mr. Alex over here is doing the securing of the pieces. Mr. Allen is putting new ones in. Something else to keep in mind, guys, those of you that have not built in the Philippines before, this post here is standard. This is the utility post. This is where your service connection will be made, and your meter, your electric meter, will be posted here. Electric meter will be posted to the outside of the building, outside of the fence. It will have the typical upside down J shape up here at the top that we normally see in the States on the side of the house. They put it here on the fence post on the corner of your premises, on the corner of your property. Then you take that service line down underground and run it back to wherever your main panel is for the house. So you will see this. It is unsightly sometimes. Sometimes you can figure it into the design of the house, but the design of the fence is what it is. It is a standard feature. You will have one post that is higher than all the rest. Well, it's yabba dabba do time. The guys on the labor crew have already headed home. As you can see over my head, the Tinsmiths, or the roofers, are pushing one over the hill, or one for the hill. They got one going over the top. You can see they're starting to top the ridge of the hip roof there. So they're starting to work their way over that direction. So that's their progress for today. Everybody else has been busy with catch basins. What's the gang at? Everybody else has been busy with plaster coating, with skim coating, with wall cladding, getting that secured, continuing with the catch basins, and of course continuing to dig out the ever so deep septic tank. So they're working on that. They've been working on that. They will continue to work on that tomorrow. So we will see you guys back here tomorrow. If you liked today's video, please give us a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of these videos, hit the casa.texpina star right over here, and you'll be subscribed. Hit the bell icon just below the view screen. You'll be notified of our next video upload for your viewing pleasure. So until we see you again tomorrow, have a great afternoon, and God bless. It's somebody's birthday. We're taking somebody to dinner for her birthday. So it's just 6 of us, just 2 of the siblings and spouses. We'll see it here in a minute. Hey, everybody's for Emie's birthday. Happy birthday. This is Gigi's Grill inside of the Clark Marriott. They do a buffet, but now during COVID, It is managed buffet, meaning you sit at the table, you order off the menu what you want, and they bring it to you, unlimited.
At the count of three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you. There you go. Now you can't eat this, you got COVID. Oh, I'm ready to go.
Mr. Ernie here is going to open up a nice bottle of wine. Pinot Noir. And wait for the pop. Got the pop? No. There you go. Let's go. Let's see. Go. See, taste it.
I'll blow it now, okay?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Good wish.
All right.